No, Ma, I'm not gonna go see a psychiatrist. I don't care if you do pay for it. No, discussion over. Yeah, alright. I'll see you later. Yes, of course. I'm gonna come by. Alright. My mother wants me to see a psychiatrist now. Why? Because she caught me? You know, if everyone who did that had to go see a psychiatrist. Yeah? Whatever. How is she? She'll be fine. I gotta go to the hospital to see her tonight. Yeah? It's me. Come on up. Hey, what are you doing tonight? Date with Maple. Oh, the Virgin? Yeah. Any progress there? What's the latest? Well, I got my troops amassed along the border. I'm just waiting for someone to give me the go-ahead. Hey, look at this. Come here. There's a naked woman across the street. Where? Second floor from the top. See the window on the left? Wow! Who walks around the house like that? Maybe she's a nudist. You know those nudist colony people? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, let me ask you a question. In these nudist colonies, do they eat naked in the dining room? I would imagine it's all naked. What about the chambermaids? Are they naked too? They naked. The garden is naked. The bellhops. One big nuderama. Hey. Well, where's my money? Who came? Not me. Not me. What are you looking at? There's a naked woman across the street. This is going to be the easiest money I've ever made in my life. So my friend Joyce is teaching an aerobics class, and I'm going tonight. Yeah, the waitress should have taken it back. So then I got a call this morning. You know, I was chosen to go on the space shuttle. We're going to Mars. Uh-huh. Have a good time. I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out of the contest. You're out? Well, that was fast. Well, there was that woman across the street. You know, you better be careful, buddy. She's gonna get you next. And then there were three.